Welcome. Today I want to talk to you about something that's very important to me and that has helped myself personally as well as my clients. There is an energetic system within the body that provides us ability to change our mind and connect to spirit. I am Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, owner of Sollite Integrative Medicine. I am both nationally and state certified and licensed as both a massage therapist and a mental health counselor, specializing in energy and spiritual psychology. Today, talking to you about the Energetic Manifestation Program. Sollite Integrative Medicine uses energy and spiritual psychology, light and sound codes to shift your electromagnetic pulse frequency field. Details about this program can be found at sollite.com. Now, let's talk about manifestation. This program is actually beyond manifestation, beyond duality. So I looked up in the dictionary, what does manifest mean? In the olden days, it was the contents within the container, mostly of a ship. And that happened in the mid-16th century. Later on, or in particular with this personal growth program, it's more about the second definition found in the dictionary that states, it is apparent through appearance that your spirit appears. Within each of us lies a greater potential. Your life is like a lamp that was destined to be placed on a high stand so that the world around you can see it shining. That is from Matthew 5:15. In psychology, especially spiritual counseling, it is known that changing your inner reality changes your outer reality. The exploration of the 12 energy power centers offers a greater understanding and emergence of the true you, the divine true nature of you, as it also helps create the life you want and deserve, but in God's way. And actually in God's way. The 12 powers is a system of transformational growth. It changes you, it changes hidden potential into visible reality. So what is hidden inside of you becomes visible to the outside. The real you is apparent. It helps you form new and positive thought patterns. It helps improve psychological, spiritual, and physical well-being. We are a species made up and affected by frequency and vibration. Example, color, light, and sound. Each of the 12 creative centers has its own color and light fingerprint associated with sounds that have a transformative effect. This is an overview of the energetic system of the 12 power centers within each of us. How it works is that these energy centers create neural pathways that signal to the brain via energy. Psychological and physiological avenue of communication that is within our mind-body system. The brain stores and interprets this information coming from our energy pathways. What is known in psychology as neuroplasticity, meaning that the brain can be changed. So you can train your brain to interpret these signals differently. You create, through positive psychology, the effects of rewiring the brain into positivity. And this is a MRI example of a brain that is in process of being repatterned. Going back to the 12 power energy centers, many religious traditions recognize the association of the following divine attributes within the human body. We're going to review the 12 attributes now. Faith is located in the pineal gland, and the color is royal blue. Strength is found in the small of the back, the color light green. Wisdom resides in the solar plexus, the color yellow. Love located with the heart, the color pink. The spoken word, which is also power, resides at the root of the tongue, the larynx. The color is purple. Imagination is located between the eyes. The color light blue or sky blue. Understanding is on the right side of the front of the brain. The color is gold. Will is on the left side of the front of the brain. The color is silver. Divine order resides in the navel. The color is olive green. Renunciation, also release, letting go, is located in the lower back at the base of the spine. The color is russet. Zeal is located on the back of the neck at the base of the brain. The color is orange. Life is located in the reproductive organs. The color is red. Sollite added or integrated light and sound codes. The originator was Sharon Connors with the Adventures in Resilience of the 12 Powers. Later, centuries of work with Charles Fillmore, Unity co-founder, adapted the 12 Powers as a mastermind group and an ability to transform your thoughts, connect with your true nature and spirit, having powerful effects on psychological and physical well-being. I personally founded this myself over 4 decades ago when I was doing the Course in Miracles and working on looking or inquiring my personal belief systems and patterns. And then founded the 12 Powers as a tool for mastermind group for envisioning the life that you would like to create, but in God's way. It was a 12-month program, which each of the 12 centers was focused on for 1 month. I've done this program personally over 6 times over those 4.5 decades, and have led many other people personally through it themselves individually and in groups, in hospitals and in wellness centers. It truly does make effective change in your life. It is beyond a manifestation program. The sound and light codes come from various spiritual backgrounds, and you can get the special bonus offer of those codes when you go to sollite.com and check out the energetic manifestation program. It's available for you for free. Also, I'm offering a year-long monthly new meditation program that is covering each of the 12 power centers. So don't miss any upcoming videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sollite and Thusa, for the new moon color light meditation. Follow along with the outline in the energetic manifestation program that includes videos and companion workbook. All can be found at sollite.com, Integrative Medicine. Thank you very much and enjoy.